In this video, friends, I will show you how to join prospecting Discord server. So friends, open Discord and go to add server option. From here, click add join a server and then write this keyword, friends, prospecting, and then click join a server. So guys, just wait to see. This is a Discord server prospecting. Click this icon to verify and you have all these features and roles. Guys, this is a Discord server. So friends, this is how you can do it. Is simple and easy steps. All this member, it is almost 76,000 member, and this is all verification steps you should be must verify in order to use this server. Click update my roles and complete the verification steps to verify my Roblox. Click this option to verify your Roblox account on Rover option, and just log in with Discord here to complete steps. Thanks for watching, guys, this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, give share this video for more content.